Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your TikTok location. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile page. Now right here on your profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top and then go to Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, just scroll down until you see Language. You can't actually change your location, but you can change your language to the location that you want. For example, when you tap on App Language, you can choose from these languages. So for example, if you choose Indonesian, all of your videos or some of your videos will be in Indonesian. All of the videos that you will see on your TikTok will be then from Indonesia. You can also change your preferred language. There's a lot of languages or location that you can choose from. So changing your language is basically just same as changing your location. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.